Yo, what's happening, guys? Welcome back to the Rev Room. Today, I got another garage door accessory. Yeah, for my LiftMaster. Right here, I have the 878MAX wireless keyless entry. So I figured I'd make my garage door life a little bit easier. So taking a look at the back real quick, it says features compatible with all garage door openers manufactured by LiftMaster since January 1993. Wow, that's even older than me. Open or close a garage door without using a remote control or key. Program a temporary code for friends and service people. So that's pretty cool. They don't have to gain access to your main code. You could set up a temporary code for others, such as family or friends, to access the garage. Right here we have some documentation, pretty much a whole manual, full-page manual on the 878MAX. We get some hardware, just 2 screws to, mount it to, I guess, the side fascia, I guess you would call it, of your garage doors. And of course, we get the 878MAX itself. Quick look at the back. It just has the screw holes for the mounting. Here is a door to lift. There is a numeric keypad with a enter button on the bottom. Method A, method B, I guess just different methods on how to quickly set it up. And you also get a QR code, which is pretty cool. Not for nothing. They definitely took this off an old model cell phone from 1993, for God's sake. Now at the bottom right here is our battery compartment, and it's actually preloaded with a 9-volt battery. But how do we set it up? I never did this before. Let's head on outside to the garage, see what we could do with this bad boy. Okay, so here we are in the garage, and I absolutely love how handy it is to have the directions right underneath the cover. So as for method A, openers with yellow learn button, I actually happen to have a red or orange button. So I'm going to have to go with method B. Press and hold the star and pound buttons until the lights on the keypad stop blinking. Enter a 4-digit PIN, then press the pound button. Press enter button the number of times that corresponds with your garage door opener type. So mine is 3, the 390 megahertz security plus red/orange learn button. Press and release the 0 button. Press and release the learn button 1 time on the garage door opener. So I press the button on the garage door opener, enter the 4-digit PIN, then press and release the enter button. And there we go. It works. Beautiful. It opens and shuts. Just what we want. This wireless keyless entry is now all set up and ready to be mounted. But other than that, guys, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to check us out on Instagram, Facebook, and Rumble at the Rev Room, of course. And we got videos coming every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I'll see you guys next time. Take care. I'm out.